BMW, Audi, Mercedes, you've officially been put on notice. This is the 2026 Lexus NX, and it's not just here to compete, it's here to take the crown. Stick around as we find out if this is the new king of the compact luxury SUV. All right, let's kick things off up front. Just look at this reimagined spindle grille. It's bolder, more aggressive, and makes an incredible statement. The razor-sharp headlights with those signature L-shaped DRLs give it a futuristic and premium stare. And see that subtle hood scoop? That's not just for looks, folks. It's hinting at the serious power hiding underneath. The centered Lexus emblem with that cool blue accent tells you this isn't just any NX, this is the electrified future of Lexus. Now let's swing around to the back, and wow, Lexus absolutely nailed this redesign. We've got a full-width light bar connecting both taillights and giving it a wide, sophisticated stance. The Lexus script spelled out across the tailgate replaces the old logo, a modern touch we absolutely love. And don't miss that little CEEV badge, that's a clue to the cutting-edge tech inside. The rugged rear bumper with that sporty diffuser ensures you look good from every single angle. But you gotta step inside to get the full experience. The interior is where Lexus truly shines. The second you get in, you're greeted by a driver-focused, luxurious cockpit. This warm saddle brown leather feels premium to the touch, and the contrast stitching shows off that insane attention to detail. A massive state-of-the-art infotainment screen dominates the dashboard, giving you seamless access to all your connectivity and navigation. Behind the wheel, a crisp digital instrument cluster gives you all the info you need at a glance. This is where comfort meets high-tech. It's a sanctuary on wheels. Now, let's talk numbers. What's powering this thing? What's it gonna cost you, and who's it up against? Engine. For the 2026 Lexus NX Next Generation, the NX offers a fantastic range of powertrains. NX 350, powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, pushing out a solid 275 horsepower. This is the punchy choice for those who crave responsive performance. NX 350H Hybrid. This one combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with a hybrid system for a total of 240 combined horsepower. It's the efficiency king, getting you around 40 mpg combined. NX 450H Plus Plug-in Hybrid, the flagship model. It uses that same 2.5-liter engine, but adds more powerful electric motors for a whopping 304 horsepower and an all-electric range of about 37 miles. This is the one to get for the best of both worlds. For the 2026 model year, the Lexus NX Next Generation is expected to start at around $44,175 for the base model, climbing to about $64,125 or more for a fully loaded trim like the NX 450H Plus F-Sport handling. That's a solid investment for this level of luxury, reliability, and tech. In the crowded compact luxury SUV segment, the NX goes head-to-head with some heavy hitters, including the Acura RDX, Audi Q3 and Q5, BMW X3, Genesis GV7, Mercedes-Benz GLC, Lincoln Corsair. But the NX stands out with its reputation for bulletproof reliability, efficient hybrid options, and that whisper-quiet, comfortable cabin. So what's the bottom line? The 2026 Lexus NX Next Generation isn't just another luxury SUV, it's a statement. With a bolder design, a supremely comfortable interior, and a versatile lineup of powertrains, Lexus has raised the bar once again. If you're in the market for a vehicle that blends style, efficiency, and that legendary Lexus reliability, you have to check this one out. That's a wrap on our review of the 2026 Lexus NX. If you like this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to Car Review Today, and let us know in the comments below what you think of the new NX. We'll catch you on the next one, folks.